Hey there, Tesla fans. Aaron Rath here from RatsTesla. It's car wash day here at the house, so I thought I'd make a video and talk to you today about floor mats. Do a little comparison on some floor mats. I've got 3 different floor mats that we're going to compare on the quality and cleaning of them. If you're like me, you like your car to look clean, but I live in northern Colorado. We get snow and you get dirt and mud and all that fun stuff here. So if you want to talk about cleaning floor mats, stick around, watch this video. Thanks for tuning in to RatsTesla. All right, so in front of us we have 3 different floor mats, not necessarily from the same vehicle. And I will be upfront, I paid for all of these except for the Oedro ones. The Oedro ones were sent to me for free to review, and we're going to talk about all 3 of these here just real quick. And I'll put links below along with prices in the video so you can see how much each one of them costs, and where you can purchase them at. The first one up is the 3D MAXpider. This is from my Tesla, and I will tell you the little logo here is starting to peel up, so it is a little damaged. These were in my Tesla for most of the winter. I do clean them about once every other week, about every 2 weeks, but these haven't been cleaned since I took them out. So you can see the salt lines and the dirt lines in these. So we're gonna get to these here in just a moment. These are the Oedro ones. These are the ones that were sent to me. You can get these on Amazon. I think the 3D MAXpider, I think I paid like $230 for. Like I said, I'll put the prices in the video so you can see. These run about $130, and they're more of a composite rubber plastic type material, so they should clean up a little bit easier. And then the third set is out of my wife's brand new Tiguan. These are WeatherTechs. These are the good cut, laser cut right for the vehicle floor mats. They're also a composite plastic rubber type material, and should clean up pretty easy. And I think I spent about $190 on these. Again, I'll put the prices in the links below. They do make the WeatherTechs for the Teslas, so you can go on their website and order them. But let's get to cleaning these. We're going to try this in different steps. Hold on, let's get the camera on a tripod and then we'll go from there. All right, for the first look, we're just going to use just a pressure washer. No soap involved in this one. And I will tell you, when you use your pressure washer, that you want to have a nozzle that's pretty wide, because it will cut into this plastic if you spray it directly on it. So no soap here, just a pressure washer. We'll start with the 3D MAXpider, and I'm going to rinse these off, wash them off as good as I can, and then we'll let them dry and see how they look after that. All right, water pressure's on, water pressure's good. Now let's spray these down. All right, we'll pump that water out, let it dry, and we'll move on to the Oedro. A lot easier to clean, didn't take as much washing. Now we'll move to the WeatherTech. All right, now we're going to let these dry in the sun, and then we'll come back and check them out. All right, so don't mind the soap, because I'm just finished washing the wheels, but I want to take a look at these real quick and just kind of go over them. They're each about half dry, and as you look at the 3D MAXpider, you can see in that area that it's still not back to factory clean, and I actually expected that just because of the material. But what I didn't expect was the fact that the WeatherTech and the Oedro still have a little bit of residual dirt in there as well. Now, I didn't expect that because of the material that they're made out of, but I think if I were to just wipe them down, each of them, with a towel, it would come out of the WeatherTech and the Oedro. But on the 3D MAXpider, you can't just wipe it down. So Our next step now is to take some soap to them and see what adding soap does to them, and then spraying them off, and we'll see how they look after that. So now we're just going to use a nice soft bristle brush with some soap on it, and just going to kind of rub that into the mat, see if we can't knock some of the dirt out of the crevices and the cracks. And I would expect that after we do this with each of the three, that they should all look about new. The Oedro and the WeatherTech might be a little bit cleaner just because of the material. But we'll see. We'll get them all three soaked. Then we get the pressure washer hose, we'll just hose these each off. Alright, we'll let each one of them dry in the sun, and we'll check back in a little bit. Alright, so I've let them dry, and there's a little dust in there because it got windy all of a sudden. But after they dried and after the brush, I think it's easy to say that if you want to clean them all the same way with the brush and the power washer, at the end of the day, they're all going to look brand new. Even the 3D MAXpider with the deeper grooves for the mats, I mean, it still looks a little dirty, but it looks a heck of a lot better than it did. So with soap and water, these all come out looking about the same. Now, where I think you're going to find the difference is in a quick wipe up clean. When you're looking at these, you'll be able to with the one in the middle, the Oedro and the WeatherTech, you'll be able to use a wet cloth or a cleaning cloth and wipe those down for like a quick wipe up. I don't think that's going to work so much for the 3D MAXpider. I think that one would be harder to get clean without using the scrub brush and a power washer. But I think bottom line is if you're willing to put the time in to clean that 3D MAXpider, it's going to be just as good of a floor mat for the winter as these other two. Ooh-wee, doesn't she look good when she is clean? Still got a little bit to do, but man, that car looks good when it's clean. If you're on the fence as to what color to get, man, that red. I almost bought the Midnight Silver Metallic, but I ended up going with the red, and I'm so glad I did. But that'll do it for today's video. I'm gonna have a video coming up soon about how I clean my car, what I do on a weekly basis to keep it clean and go through that process. It doesn't take long. I'm able to wash and clean both of my vehicles, my new vehicles, in 4 or 5 hours on a Saturday, so it doesn't take too long. If you only had the Tesla, only had one car, you could probably do it in a couple hours. But that'll do it for today's video. Bottom line is that when it comes to the floor mats, if you're going to put the time and energy into cleaning them properly, taking them out of the car, using a brush with hot soapy water or with soapy water, and with a power washer, they're all the same. The 3D MAXpider clean up just as easy as the Oedro and the WeatherTechs. If you're looking for something that will wipe out easy on a weekly basis, I don't think that the 3D MAXpider is a good winter floor mat for that, because it's got those little grooves in there and they catch dirt, and even when you vacuum it and wipe it up, it just doesn't come perfectly clean. The Oedro and the WeatherTech, they come perfectly clean with just a quick wipe up with a baby wipe, or even a disinfectant wipe would clean those right up. But that'll do it for today's video. I will have links to all the products below. I do not have discount codes for any of them. I'm not affiliated with any of them. Oedro did send me the floor mats for free for a review. They are a good floor mat. I'll put the link to that video up here so that you can check it out. but they are a good floor mat for $129. They're a lot better than you would believe. They fit in there nice. They've stayed put because they got little Velcro. I'm not going to give away the whole video. If you want to check out that video, check it out. But that'll do it for today's video. As always, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so you get notified when new videos pop up. Drop a comment below, hit the thumb, hit the like, go down there and mash that like button and that subscribe button right now. Neither one of those cost you anything, but they help my channel show up in searches. They help my channel show up so other people can catch the videos. But that'll do it. Thanks for watching today. As always, get out, go drive your Tesla, be safe, be kind to people, be kind to each other, and just have a good weekend. And thanks for watching RatsTesla.